In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make your own YouTube intro, just like this one on screen right now. First thing you're going to want to do is go to Google and search up Panzoid. Panzoideditor.com should come up, so just click that. Next, scroll down and hit More Creations. And then in the search bar here, just type in intro. You'll see loads of intros, so pick one that interests you. For me, I think I like this dope purple intro. Click open in Clipmaker and then click this little eye icon. Then hit this.
I know what you fantasize about.
And that's how you can view your intro that you chose. And for me, I actually kind of like that intro. So hit this cue, click on it, and then scroll down until you find the text that said your name. So if I go back, you'll see it says your name instead of my channel. And that's because they want you to replace it with your channel name. So just type in whatever your channel name is. I'm just going to type in SulyMazing. And boom. Now, if there's more than one, put in both. And there we go. Now we have the intro fixed. Now let's view that intro again.
I know what you fantasize about.
And yeah, I think that's a really good intro. One thing you want to look out for though, if the intro is longer than 15 seconds, most people are going to skip past it because it's too long. Make sure you keep it under 15 seconds. And I don't like that really long green screen at the start. As you can see, there's no audio. If you go here, then it starts building up over there. So if you're in the editor, just cut this bit out. Next, what you want to do is, if you like it, you can hit this download. Select the mode to good quality, format to WEMBM, and hit start video render. This will start the video's render and wait for it to finish. And the video is finished rendering. Once it's done, click download your video. It should bring you to this page, and soon the download should begin. And here we go, it's done right now. And if you want to edit it, just click return to editing. As you can see, you can go back to all these like different things. And if you want to add more effects for the video, you can just add them on this like little shatter icon. To add other effects, like for the camera, just click this camera. To add different music, just click this music icon. But I recommend don't do it if it's a pre-made intro, because the video's music already fits. And that's all you really need to do. Now that you have it downloaded, you can just keep it and then use it whenever you're in your editor. That's all really for this intro tutorial. Thank you all so much for watching. Hit the like button if this has helped you and you got a good intro out of it. If you haven't, dislike the video. Subscribe and then comment below I subscribe to get a free shout out in the next video. Thank you so much and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.